In this video, we listed the 5 best Anycubic 3D printer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Photon D2. The Goosla 3D printer does not feature auto-leveling and supports the English language. It offers a maximum printing speed of Tooler's 5S per layer and does not require consumables with a specific diameter. The printer is compatible with Anycubic Photon Workshop Slice software and supports file formats. It utilizes DLP molding technology and operates within a voltage range of 110-220 V with a USB interface type. The printer is CE certified and is manufactured by Goosla in mainland China under the Anycubic model Photon D2. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon M3. The Creality 3D printer offers a maximum printing speed of 6 cm HR and supports a maximum print size of 30.0 x 29.8 x 16.4 cm. It utilizes LCD molding technology and operates within a voltage range of 110-220 V with a USB interface type. The printer is CE certified and is manufactured by Creality in mainland China. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono X. The Anycubic Photon Mono X 6K's 3D printer offers a high-resolution printing experience with a 9.1-inch 6K high-definition monochrome exposure screen, boasting a resolution of up to 5760 *3600 px and a contrast ratio of 380:1. The upgraded Anycubic Light Turbo Matrix light source and high-precision textured optical lens provide a stable and even parallel light source, enabling a printing speed of 15 to 60 mm per H. The printer features a stable dual linear Z-axis rail and highly wear-resistant palm anti-backlash nuts to ensure reliable detail printing. With a large printing dimension of 200 x 195, 84 x 122, 4 mm and a laser-engraved build platform, it offers a maximum printing volume of 4.76 liters. The printer comes with the free self-developed slicer Anycubic Photon Workshop 3.0 and a simplified UI for easier slicing. It features a 3.5-inch resistive touchscreen control panel and is CE certified. The printer is manufactured by Anycubic under the product name Photon Mono X 6Ks and comes with a 1-year warranty. It operates with a voltage range of 110-220 V and utilizes LCD molding technology. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono M5S. The 3D printer utilizes LCD molding technology and operates within a voltage range of 110-220 V. It is CE certified and comes with a 1-year warranty. Manufactured by Creality. In mainland China, the printer is designed for use in various industries including garment shops, building material shops, home use, printing shops, and construction works. It features high-precision printing with dimensions of 200,218,123 mm and machine dimensions of 290,270,460 mm, making it suitable for a range of professional and personal applications. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is a Cartesian 3D printer featuring a range of advanced capabilities. With a printing platform of 16.5 x 16, 5 in, /42 x 420 mm, and a printing volume of 23.2 gal, /88, 2L, it offers ample space for large-scale projects. The machine utilizes FDM-TFFF technology and boasts a double-motor double Z-axis for enhanced precision. Equipped with a 4.3 LCD touch control screen and a 32-bit silent motherboard, it provides a user-friendly interface and smooth operation. The printer supports various printing materials including PLA, TPU, ABS, and PETG, and offers a maximum printing speed of 19, 7 in, /s/500 mmps. With a sturdy structure and a range of included components such as the filament holder, print head, and tool set, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max is designed to deliver high-quality and versatile 3D printing experiences. It is manufactured by ANYCUBIC and comes with a 1-year warranty, with CE certification and a voltage range of 110-220 V, making it suitable for a wide range of users and applications.